Now show mommy. Uh-oh. You can do it. Yay! Good job, honey girl. Good job. One more. Say one more. All by yourself. Having a little bit of trouble with that one, honey? You can do it. There you go. There you go. There you go, honey girl. That's a good girl. Good job. I'm proud of you.